What is up, guys? Today we're going to be reviewing a wireless lavalier microphone, and it's kind of looking sketchy. There's absolutely no branding on it. It just says wireless lavalier microphone, wireless live show interview, vlog short video. So there's absolutely no branding. There's like nothing on it. It's going to be sketchy, but hey, I'm just here to try. So let's get straight into it. On the back, it says plug and play, 65 meters of accessible reception, precise radio, clear timbre, high sensitivity, and widely compatible. And it's recyclable and made in China. Opening up the box, it gives you not one, but two microphones, which I was honestly kind of surprised the first time I opened it up, because looking at like this, it looks like it would only give you one, but it gives you two, and a charger along with clips and a receiver that plugs into the phone. And a little, oh, it has a user manual. It seems like you can charge it while it is plugged into your phone, which is pretty cool. I just noticed that I should probably talk to it like this because of how the microphone is made. But yeah, it's powered by USB-C. It has a little light indicator to tell you if it's on or off, or it's connected. If it's green, it's connected. I'm pretty sure if you're charging it and it's red, it needs charged. But once the light is off and you're charging it, it's fully charged. And it looks like it should have a screen right there, but it doesn't. And it's got a power button on the back. And that's all I can tell you about this. So listening to that back, it was overall pretty good, but it had a couple clicks and just like weird thingies, just like I just noticed that other than that, it sounded pretty good. I thought it was pretty good. We're actually going to take this outside and see how it does. We're currently outside. It is still connected to my hoodie, and I'm walking around here seeing what it sounds like. I don't know how it sounds like at all. I'm going to see if I can pick up any echoing. There's some birds chirping, some crows. Yeah, that's the test. Overall, outside, what is getting in my room? Overall, I would say that was kind of a mid kind of performance. I didn't hear any wind, which is good, but the audio just sounded off. If you really needed one, you didn't want to use your iPhone mic because like you're recording one of those TikTok like guests, I don't know, what do you even call those? Like they just go up to random people and ask them things.
What's heavier, a pound of rocks or a pound of feathers?
Rocks.
If you're doing one of that, sure, there's two mics, go ahead. Sounds okay. But other than that, I would say it's pretty okay. Pretty okay. I'll just leave it there. It's pretty okay. But yeah, if you like the review, make sure to like, subscribe, come back. I have like 2 other mic reviews. I got a Power to Wise and a Yeti. I'm about to do another one. But yeah, if you liked it, subscribe. Adios. Now I have 2 on both of my hoodie strings.